Sunday, the 21st of May, and we are on the Australian dollar, US dollar. So let's have a quick recap of this market from last week in relation to the Sunday analysis video, and then we'll have a look at the market for the trading week ahead. Australian dollar, US dollar last week, and it really behaved very well in relation to what we were looking for. Now, I was on holiday. Unfortunately, I didn't get to take advantage of this market. That's just the way it works. Sometimes, however, I'll just take you over exactly what we're looking at. And then basically what I was highlighting for subscribers. Now, it's easier on the 4-hour time frame. What we were looking for were the continuation of the pullback into our resistance areas. We had one here, and we had one here. And then selling into the market. You can see we had the reactions, we press up, we have the reaction, we press up, we have the strong reaction back down once again. This is basically the market. We based this off of, just quickly go back to the daily time frame. Whilst that's loading up, we were in a downtrending move on the Australian dollar, US dollar. Let me just close this to shorten the load times. You can see the market making those lows, the high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we're pressing back up. So what we were doing was selling into a downtrending move on those pullbacks, looking for the reactions at the key levels. Now, what are we doing coming into next week? Well, the market is still within the same sort of area. However, once again, back on the 4-hour time frame, what I'm really looking at is, let me just delete this rectangle. If we now start to break above this whole area here, I'm expecting another bullish move up on this market, really into the next key levels up above, which really start up here. I've had the test, the test, the test, and the test. So we want to be a little bit careful of that. If we do start to break above these levels, then I would expect at least an attempt at a run up into the zone up above. Now at present, the market is pressing up against this resistance area right here. Just delete this. And it is rejecting. Now, coming into next week, if the market is still doing this, if we're still seeing the market sitting in these levels at the start of the week, more than happy to keep looking for the potential resistance and those sell positions, looking to take the market back down once again. It's only if we really start to get strong breaks above this level, the market pressing up, closing up above this level, accepting up above this level, I would be happy to start looking for potential bullish moves up into the key zone up above. Now, if we do start to see the rejections at these levels on the 4-hour time frame, we're just looking at the potential swings the market has recently been making, and then we've pressed up into these levels here. Breaks back down below here now. Would be the market breaking back down below the previous swing. So this is also a level of support. Right here. So the market comes down, watching for that potential support, potential bullish bounces. If we start to break back down below here, it's giving us confirmation that the move down is being accepted. We're then breaking below the previous swing where the market has been holding. I'd be happy to look for the pullbacks and the stronger moves down into this whole level of support down here, where we can see the market made that double bottom, which produced this strong move up. Those are really the main things for next week. Now, I'm only getting back to the charts on Tuesday. I am going to miss Monday. I'm on holiday. I was on holiday last week, as I've mentioned. So, those are the things I'll be watching. Certainly going into Monday, I'd want to see how the market is reacting up here. Is it still holding below? Is it still seeing rejection at the level? If it is, more than happy to look for those bearish positions back down. Confirmation that the bears are taking control would be a breakdown below this level, where I would then expect another move down to test the key support area at this 7,330 to up to around about 7,350 zone. If we start to break above this level, potentially we are seeing the bulls holding this market, and we can look for the stronger move up into 7,500. Okay guys, so that is everything for this week. I hope you all have a great trading week next week. As always, I hope that was helpful. I'm James Orr, and thank you.